To better understand the complexity of programming, I thought it might be nice to go through a simple standard example that usually in programming circles, when you write your first program, it's supposed to be printing hello world. So we can replicate this here in Python. So our task is to get Python to print hello world to the screen. And along the way, I want to show you some ways how you can mess that up. So let's start by simply calling this function and running it. And in Python, the function that does the printing to the screen is called print, P-R-I-N-T. If I misspell it, I get a name error. In this case, it will tell me name PRNT is not defined because it doesn't know what to do with it. Okay, so if I don't know anything really, maybe the way this works is print, and oh, now the syntax highlighting actually switched to green, telling me that this is something that that is being recognized. And let's just stop here. And now we made another mistake. We get a syntax error. We have an unterminated string literal, right? So we start here with the quotes in the beginning, hello, and then we don't follow through and close the thing at the end here. Okay, and now we get another error. Another syntax error, missing parentheses and call to print. Do you mean print ... Yes, I did. This is the old Python syntax. The new Python syntax goes like that. Okay, cool. So now we're almost there. We still have a semantic error because we're only printing hello and not hello world. Maybe we make another mistake here, right? There's a spelling error that we also need to fix. Hello world. Let's give it some exclamation points. And there we are. So in an ideal world, you just write the statement, print hello world, and you get the output. Some of my mistakes here are perhaps a little bit fabricated, but you'll be surprised how many of those you will see as you're beginning your own journey.